see some of these compounds. So when we're naming alkanes, the first thing we want to do is find the longest continuous carbon chain. So for this one, we can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So I'm going to put a box around the longest continuous chain. And then I've got one methyl group over here. So I'll name my alkyl group here. This is a methyl. And my parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the parent name is going to be pentane because I have 5 carbons on it. So I'm just going to type this down here. I know I have pentane, and I know I'm going to have a methyl. I just have to figure out what carbon that methyl is going to be on. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't really matter because it's right in the middle. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this guy is just going to be 3-methylpentane. And this next one, we want to count the longest continuous chain. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 in this guy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 8's win. 8's going to win. So that's my longest continuous chain. I've got a methyl group here and an ethyl group. So I'm just going to write that over here. Methyl and ethyl. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is going to give me an octane. And I know I have ethyl and methyl, but I need to figure out what carbons everybody's on, ethyl and methyl. So I can either start numbering over here, where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I could do 5 and 7. That's one numbering option, or 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4 would be the other. So 2, 4 gives me smaller numbers than the 5, 7. So I'm going to start numbering in that direction. 1, 2. So now I have 2-methyl. 2-methyl. And then ethyl. 2, 3, 4. It's on the 4. So I would say this is 4-ethyl 2-methyl octane. So I'm putting these in alphabetical order, ethyl and methyl, and I'm separating the numbers and the letters with a dash. And then the letters just kind of all run together. And this last one, or next one over here, be careful with this one. It's not written in a line. It very well could have been, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all connected, 4 carbons in a row. So continuous chain is going to be with 4. 4 is called butane, and the ane is because I only have single bonds. This next one down here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have total, the longest continuous chain is going to be 6. So we call that one hexane. There we go, hexane. And then to number them, I can either start on this end, 1, 2, 3, or I can start over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this methyl group, I want to give it the lowest number I possibly can. So 1, 2, 3 would be the way to go there. So I'm going to call this 3- methylhexane, 3-methylhexane. Over here, I'm going to find the longest continuous chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, so 7 looks like it's going to be the longest one. Put a box around that, and then I'm going to circle my alkyl groups. This guy, just CH3, is a methyl, and this one is an ethyl. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So either way I go, I'm going to get 4. This is going to be 4-ethyl and 4-methyl. And since I have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, my parent chain is heptane. And then I've got, just put our numbers in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the 7 that I got. I'm going to put ethyl and then methyl. So I have 4-ethyl, 4-methyl, heptane. Just scoot that over a little. And this last one, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the longest one. 9. I've got another methyl and another ethyl group there. So 9 is going to be no name. And let's see. If we start numbering here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 4 and 5. Or if I start numbering over here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5 gives me a smaller set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my ethyl is on the 4, and my methyl, I'm sorry, my ethyl is on the 5. Ethyl is on the 5. Ah! And my methyl is on the 4. So I end up with 5 ethyl, 4 methyl, no name, or non-name.